Go high level AI features. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at some of the AI features that Go High Level provides. So let's get into it. So Go High Level has a bunch of AI features, and in this video I'll show you some of them that have really high potential. So let's get into it. Now, before I begin, you will need to sign up and create an account, and you can go ahead and create an account by clicking the link in the description below. If you click on it, you can easily go to the sign up page and sign up. It'll also give you a discount since Go High Level is not a free software. They do provide a 14-day free trial, so make sure you check the link in the description below for those details. And once you've signed up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Well, this is the accounts, right? These are like the sub accounts, and this is the agency view. It'll take you to the agency view where you can go ahead and create your main account, and this is how it looks like. So you need to add like a brand logo, set up API, set up white label, set up email addresses, phone numbers, all of those stuff. And on the left hand side, you'll see all of your main options. You had university, SaaS, partners, templates, sellings, account snapshots, all of these accounts. And here you can create an account, and I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the spot media, and I'm going to click on the account, and this is my account. And now you can see some of the options are different on the left hand side. So pretty cool. And here we have the AI agent. So if we click on it, we can see we have all of these AI options. We've got the conversion AI, the voice AI, we've got the agent studio, we've got the voice AI over here. We can create our first voice AI. We can talk to it, listen to it. We've got the conversions as well. And here is the content AI. This is basically where you manage all of your AI generated content. And this is the text right here. And this is the image right here. You can see everything available. And here you've got your agent template. You can see all of those accounts, and here you've got your getting started. So first we need to go ahead and get started, right? And to go ahead and ask it, we can go ahead and click on this little button over here at the top right corner. By clicking on this button, this is the Ask AI. This is their main AI. And here we can go ahead and get started. We can go ahead and create like a draft, a social media post for my campaign, summarize a contact, generate a funnel, write an email prompt for my new product, and set up new email campaigns for my business. So let's go ahead and click over here, summarize a contract. We don't have a contract. I should have selected the other option. So what we'll do is we'll click on cancel this, come back over here, and this is the chat. We can click on this button over here to create a new chat, and then we'll click on draft a social media post for my campaign. Click over here. Let's see what we get. So calling the content creator, and we should have a new option right here. Here we go. So ready to make a difference, join the latest campaign. This is a good campaign post. We can go ahead and get started with this one. We come over here, click on the content AI. We can see this is the text, this is the image. Currently we have nothing over here. I thought we might have some options over here, but that's fine. So we also have the conversion AI as well. So these are pretty cool options. But anyway, coming over here on the left hand side. So let's come over here on the left hand side, click on marketing. And here we have the social media planner, right? So we need to go ahead and connect one of the social media planners. And here we can go ahead and create a post. So let's say if we want, we can create a evergreen post, right? We click on that option. It'll open up the category. We can select the category if we want, but we don't have that. We'll go ahead and select these options and click on continue. We do need to create a new category, so we'll have to do that. Going over here, or we can create a recurring post, and here we can connect to social media, but let's go ahead and connect our Instagram account and go with the direct messages. Doesn't require a Facebook page. Create account, can auto post stories, can access image and video metrics. Let's go with the simple one. Let's go ahead and allow this. If you're wondering why I'm connecting my IG, it's because in the marketing section, we can go ahead and create these posts, and we can go ahead and, check it out. So we're going to click on the add account, and we should be good to go. So we are now good to go. It's connected. We can close this up, and then here we have the content, right? We can go ahead and create. We can click on this button. We can generate with AI. Click over here, select the brand voice you want, key messages for the Instagram post, go for the Instagram post, number of variation, and yeah, it's as simple as that. And this is how we can generate content with content AI. It's pretty cool. Next, let's move on to the next one, which is review AI. So for that, we click on the settings option over here. To access review AI, you do need to go ahead and create and connect one of the integrations, that being Google. So you need to go ahead and connect your Google account, and when it's connected, it'll automatically detect the Google Analytics account that is connected with that account. And you can just simply go ahead and select the Google account, and then you need to go ahead and select one of the properties over here, and then select the Google AdWords account as well, the MCC account. And once it's connected, you can access the review section over here, or the review manager. So for that, once we've connected it, we can go back over here, and here over here we can see the reputation. In the reputation section, we can find the reviews, and these are the review manager over here. So if you click on the settings option, here in the settings you'll find all of the main AI options. So let it load up, and here we go. So this is the reviews AI. So reviews AI, basically it turns off review AI. It basically goes ahead and stops all of your AI reviews. It basically creates AI reviews. Here you can create a agent. You can start from scratch. You can go with Claire. You can see right here, you will be provided with the good reviews for business. Your job is to craft professional authority. So you can create a bunch of different AI reviews that you can apply on your business. So this one was Claire. This one is Grace. She's empathetic and solution oriented. Claire is a professional. Taylor is optimistic. Sally is solution oriented, and Axel is playful. So you can select whichever one you want. So let's say we want this one, and click on proceed. And then this is, yeah, it looks good. Then we just select the type of language we want and the type of reviews we want. So we want 2-star, 3-star, go with 4-star, and we're below. You can add like a, footer over here, add like a thank you, whatever. And then AI agent responses preview, you can go ahead and generate it. So you can generate up to 50 reviews in 24 hours. You can see over here, here it's basically going to respond to all of the reviews. So any reviews that is 2-star or below, this AI agent will respond to them. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can go ahead and use this option to go ahead and respond to your AI and respond to all the reviews you get. So it's a pretty helpful AI tool to have, and it's really easy to set up. Once it's live, you can see all of your reviews available, and once it's done, you should be good to go. So here you can turn it off. You can click on auto response to automatically send review responses, or suggestive to help you articulate review responses better. And then here you can integrate it by clicking on the connecting this button. And then you need to connect your Google My Business account. I haven't connected it, so we'll leave it as it is. But here is the another great AI tool that GoHighLevel provides. Next, let's go back to AI agents, and here we'll move on to the conversation AI. Conversation AI is actually pretty cool. Here you can create a bot. So let your bot take care of your mundane task while you focus on building your business. So if you click on to create a bot, you can go ahead and select one of the options. So you can go with prompt-based, guided form, or flow-based builder. So select whichever one you want. Each of them have their own option. So prompt-based is the most popular one, and pretty much everyone uses. Provide your own custom instructions prompt for personalized lead capturing, process, appointments, booking, and everything, right? If you go with the guided form, this one is perfect for basic lead capturing and appointment booking, which doesn't require complex or logic conditions. It'll help you get lead captures, appointment booking, and stuff like that. But I really like the prompt-based ones. You can also go with the flow-based one. This is like a visual flow builder, but I don't know about that one. So we'll go with the prompt one. And then here you have general Q&A, appointment booking, market template, or start from scratch. You can select which one you want. Let's go with the appointment one. And then this AI will be kind of like your personal assistant, which you can use to go ahead and book all of your appointments, manage all of your social media, posts on them, create different posts, everything. So you can basically automate the entire system using the conversation AI as well. You also get voice AI. So here you need to create that so you can talk to that agent and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. So you can see GoHighLevel provides a bunch of different options when it comes to AI, and it has many, many options. So you've got content AI, you've got conversation AI, you've got the agent studio, you've got the reviews AI. So they have no shortage of AI when it comes to it. So make sure you're taking full advantage of all these options. So these were all the cool features, all the AI features that GoHighLevel provides. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.